Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a controller overlay to OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to gamepadviewer.com. Now, here's an important note before we move forward. Make sure your controller is already connected to your computer either via USB or Bluetooth. This is crucial for the next steps to work properly. Once you're on the Gamepad Viewer website, you'll notice a message at the bottom of the screen that says something like, "There are currently no gamepads connected, press any button to enable." This is basically the site telling you it's ready to detect your controller. Go ahead and press any button on your controller to activate it and make it visible to the website. After pressing a button, you'll see your controller appear on the screen. Now, at the top of the page, click on the button that says None, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Player 1. This assigns your controller to the first player slot and ensures the overlay recognizes it correctly. You also have the option to customize which controller model is displayed. Click on the Xbox logo at the top of the page and then select your preferred controller from the list. This lets you match the overlay to whatever controller you're actually using, whether it's an Xbox, PlayStation, or another type. Next, in the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the sidebar that appears on the left, click on Generate URL. This is where you'll create the specific link you need for OBS. Look for the option labeled Skin, then click the drop-down menu right beside it and select your preferred controller from the list. This ensures the visual style of the controller matches what you want viewers to see. Now copy the URL link displayed at the top by clicking on it, and it will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. This URL is what you'll use to bring the controller overlay into OBS. Open your OBS application on your desktop. In the bottom left corner, navigate to the Sources section, click on the plus icon, and then select Browser from the list. This allows you to add web-based content directly into your OBS scene. A new window will appear asking you to name the source. Rename it whatever you want, for example, Controller Overlay, then click OK. Navigate to the URL field, delete any existing text, and then paste the URL link you copied earlier from Gamepad Viewer. Click OK to add the overlay to your scene. At first, the controller will show as disconnected. If you want to connect it, simply press any button on your controller and it will instantly link up and display the live input. You can also resize the controller overlay if needed by dragging the corners to fit your layout. And that's it. You've successfully added a controller overlay to OBS, giving your viewers a real-time view of your button presses. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.